Hi friends, my name is Vial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can use this Happy Thanksgiving practice worksheet, and I'm going to put the link to it down below so you can have access to it. We're going to practice this Happy Thanksgiving with 3 different pens, and be sure to check my next video because I'm going to show you how you can use this lettering to create Happy Thanksgiving cards like this one. So for the first part of the worksheet, which is the Monoline, I'm gonna be using this Link Shine pen. This is a gel pen. You can use whatever pen you have handy. I decided to bring you in a little bit closer so you can really appreciate how shiny this pen is. And again, I'm doing real-time monoline lettering, so you know that you should really go slow when you're practicing calligraphy. For the Faux Calligraphy part of the worksheet, I'm going to be using these Monoline Studio pens by the Pigeon Letters, and I'm using the 01. I'm always curious to know if you like this type of real-time lettering or if you prefer the speed-up videos that you see on Instagram. Those are usually the ones that I do, but I would like to know your thoughts on it. Do you like real-time lettering or speed-up lettering? Let me know in the comments. For the third part of the worksheet, you can use the same pen that you were using before and just fill in the gaps within the outlines that you made, or you can use this pen, which is the Tombow Futenowski brush pen, and I'm gonna put the links to all the tools and pens that I'm gonna be using in the description down below. And don't forget that you can have access to the Thanksgiving calligraphy worksheet from my blog at vialdesigns.com, and I'm going to put the link to it down below. there you have it. These are the 3 ways that you can letter Happy Thanksgiving using 3 different pens. And make sure you check my next video because I'm going to show you how you can create this Happy Thanksgiving card using the lettering that you learned on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to share with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. As always, comment below with any questions or with any video requests of any type of tutorials that you would like to see next.